Hi, I'm James from RateFrog, here to answer a common question. Does insurance cover a cracked windshield? Let's dive into the details so you can understand your coverage options. The extent to which your insurance covers a cracked windshield depends on the type of coverage you have. There are three main types of coverage that can apply: comprehensive coverage, full glass coverage, and collision coverage. First, comprehensive coverage. This type of insurance covers damage to your vehicle that isn't caused by a collision. This includes damage from road debris, weather events, vandalism, and accidents involving animals. If you have comprehensive coverage, it typically covers the cost of repairing or replacing a cracked windshield, but you'll need to pay your deductible. Next, there's full glass coverage. This is an optional add-on that specifically covers glass damage, including windshields, windows, and sunroofs. The big advantage here is that it usually doesn't have a deductible, meaning your insurance company pays the full cost of repair or replacement. Lastly, collision coverage. While this mainly covers damages from collisions with other vehicles or objects, it can apply to windshield damage if it occurs during an accident. However, you'll need to pay your collision deductible before the insurance covers the remaining costs. So, what do you do if you need to file a claim for a cracked windshield? Here are the steps. First, assess the damage. Check if it's a small chip or a significant crack that requires a full replacement. Next, contact your insurer to report the damage and start the claims process. Then, choose a repair shop. Your insurer may recommend repair shops or glass specialists. If applicable, pay your deductible before insurance covers the rest. Finally, complete the repairs. Schedule the repair or replacement, and remember, many companies offer mobile services. Before you file a claim, consider these points: cost of repairs versus deductible. If the repair cost is lower than your deductible, it might be cheaper to pay out of pocket. Also, think about the impact on premiums. Filing a claim can sometimes impact your insurance premiums. Don't forget to check with your insurer. Additionally, consider state laws. Some states, like Florida, South Carolina, and Kentucky, require insurers to waive the deductible for windshield repairs if you have comprehensive coverage. In summary, whether your insurance covers a cracked windshield depends on your coverage type. Comprehensive and full glass coverage are your best bets for covering such damage with minimal out-of-pocket costs. At RateFrog, we help you compare insurance quotes to find the best coverage for your needs. Visit RateFrog today to explore your options and ensure you're protected against common issues like windshield damage. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful car insurance tips and advice. See you next time.